yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, your troubles will be out of.
Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. Today's video, I was such in a huge mood to clean. You guys, I have been so lazy, and really tired, so for me to want to clean is like an accomplishment, I'm telling you. But anyway, I started in my beauty room. It was really dirty in here and just a lot of stuff everywhere. So I just started with picking up pretty much everything that was out and not in its place. After that, I focused on just wiping down everything because there was stuff that was dusty and just hasn't been wiped down in a while. So I just wanted to clean up any old dust around in the room. So I wiped down my vanity. I did wipe down my vanity makeup drawers, like the IKEA drawers. I get a lot of questions where these are from. They're from IKEA, and they're the Alexis drawers. They come in different sizes, so there could be like a 5 drawer, 9 drawer, stuff like that. So definitely go ahead and check out IKEA if you guys are interested. But moving on, I am just cleaning again, like I said, just wiping everything down. The cleaner I'm using is called Myers or Mayers. I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's seriously like the best cleaning stuff ever. I think I got it from Hy-Vee or something like that. Love it. Anyway, just picking up some stuff around my computer desk, just putting it back in its place, throwing the throw blanket back where it goes, and just making the room look presentable and the back to normal, basically, because you know how it is. After a long week, when you get out of place, you need everything to go back to normal. And here's my sweet, sweet puppy trying to give me loving. And I was like, not right now, buddy, not right now. He's so sweet. And next, I just have this drawer that I wanted to clean out. So this drawer is just full of old utensils that I don't really use. We have all of our utensils somewhere else in our kitchen, and this is kind of like the utensils that I just don't use very often. So I still like to have some of these things. I just thought it's time for some of this stuff to go because I just don't use it. And I thought it could be better off going to like a family member or something who needs it more than I do. So I just started with organizing piles of stuff I wanted to keep, stuff I didn't want to keep, stuff that I just need to be thrown away, and stuff like that. So I just wiped out the drawer as best as I could, and I really should just get some drawer liners, but I'm broke, and I know they're cheap, but I'm a broke college student, okay? So I just put back the things that I really wanted to keep, and that's pretty much it. I just organized it, made it look a lot better, a little more cleaner. Hey, the drawer can actually close now, so that's pretty good, right? And anytime I clean my house, you guys know I always do dishes. Dishes are the number one thing that gets stacked up day after day. So the first thing I do is just put away any dishes that I've cleaned previously after drying. So just putting away the utensils and plates and Tupperware and all that jazz. And then of course just doing the dishes. I always do dishes with gloves because I have eczema and my hands with the soap and water just do not mix. They just don't. So gloves it is, and sometimes it even gets to the gloves and it still makes my hands itch. If you guys have any recommendations for gloves, please do, because I'm allergic to latex, so it's really hard for me to find gloves that don't irritate my hands. So anyway, just cleaning up the kitchen also. So I did start with the stove. The stove was looking pretty sad, so I tried to find a scrubber brush for the kitchen. I think someone mentioned a Brillo pad, and this is like the closest thing that I think I found. I don't even know. I tried my best, and I scrubbed off everything that was on this damn stove, so yeah, it's as clean as it's gonna get. But I did scrub it as hard as I could and got off any of the excess stuff, and just lit one of my favorite candles at the moment. This candle has a magnet candle topper for the top of the lid. How freaking cute. And that's from Bath and Body Works. But I'm just burning this candle. I think it's called Peppermint Marshmallow. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. But after the kitchen, I kind of moved on into the living room and it's just kind of picked up, obviously, like what was out of place. I did switch out some of my fall stuff for some Christmas stuff that I did have. I don't have very much. My mom just kind of gave me what she wasn't using or some old stuff that she didn't want anymore. I just never really decorate the house until like this year I started decorating for seasons, so I guarantee you there will be more to come in the near future, but for now I just started little by little because obviously I don't have very much money because I own a house at 22 years old, so not a whole lot that I can do at the moment. So my plan is to get a Christmas tree though and start putting up ornaments and start really having more of a home. So I'm just really excited for the future and yeah. I did go ahead and pick up a couple Christmas presents that I'm showing you guys here. I'm not going to say who they're for, but that would ruin it. So, but these are the few things that I did pick up. Just some like lip products, Bath and Body Works, and a couple things from Walmart. So that is pretty much it for this video though, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys did, please do not forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!